Economics Test 1. Write your name, date, and class period. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 1. Supply and demand often influence the blank of goods in the marketplace. Is it A, price, B, retail, C, labor, D, wholesale? Question number 2. In which economic system has the benefit of private property, economic freedom, profit, and competition? Is it A, communism, B, free enterprise, C, socialism, D, traditional? Question number 3. A limited resource is known as A, scarcity, B, labor, C, demand, D, profit. Question number 4. The amount of goods available for buyers to purchase is called A, wants, B, supply, C, demand, D, needs. Question number 5. Which economic system has production based on customs and traditions? A, communism, B, free enterprise, C, socialism, D, traditional. Question number 6. When the government owns large businesses and small businesses are privately owned, this type of economic system is called A, communism, B, free enterprise, C, socialism, D, traditional. Question number 7. Subsistence farming and cottage industries can be found in this type of economic. Is it A, communism, B, free enterprise, C, socialism, D, traditional? Question number 8. When the government controls and operates all business, this type of economic system is called A, traditional, B, free enterprise, C, socialism, and D, communism. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 9. When there is no private property and no trade with outsiders, this type of economic system is called A, communism, B, free enterprise, C, traditional, D, socialism. Question number 10. When prices are determined by supply and demand and profit is the main goal, this economic system is called A, communism, B, free enterprise, C, traditional, D, socialism. Question number 11. How much people want a particular good or service is called A, demand, B, service, C, supply, or D, a need? I'm going to read what's in the box. After each question, Use the excerpt above to answer the next three questions. Question number 12 is focusing on country 1. Do not look at country 2 or country 3 because it's only focusing on country 1. Country 1. In my country, people produce what they need to survive by doing things in the same way as past generations of family and community members. Our people grow crops and hunt for food. Question number 12 is asking, which of the following jobs or occupations would be found in country 1? Is it A, computer programmers, B, subsistence farmers, C, coal miners, or D, dentists? Question number 13 is asking about country 2. I'm going to read what's in the box. Do not focus what's on country 1 and country 3 because it's only asking about country 2. Which statement would be true about the economy in country 2? A, the large and small businesses compete to have the lowest prices. B, most people do the same job as their parents and grandparents before them. C, few people receive education or training outside of their homes and community. D, with the government power, workers are treated equally in order to create a classless society. Question number 14 is asking only about country 3. Country 3. In my country, people are free to produce whatever they wish and to buy whatever they can afford. Our citizens decide what to make and sell. They also provide services to help other citizens. They want to make a profit from the things they sell. Is it 14 is asking, which of the following countries best fits in the description of country 3? Is it A, China, B, Israel, C, North Korea, D, United States? Question number 15. The goods you desire to have but are not necessary for survival are called A, demand, B, needs, C, supply, D, wants. Question number 16. What is the name of the economic system which provides its people with free basic needs at a very low cost? Is it A, communism, B, free enterprise, C, traditional, D, socialism mixed? The next question is asking you about what's inside the box. Use the information in the box to answer the following question. Let's read what's inside the box first. Supply and demand is essential in production of goods. Business owners' main goal is to make profits. And C states entrepreneurs come up with new ideas for business. Your job is to figure out what is missing on the title inside the box. You'll notice the line in the middle. Which of the following would be the best heading or title for the list above? Is it A, factors of production, B, features of the free enterprise system, C, characteristics of cottage industries, or D, communism characteristics? Question number 18. These are the basic requirements for survival that include food, water, shelter, and clothing. Is it A, wants, B, needs, C, supply, or D, scarcity? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 19. The way a country uses money and resources is called A, commercial agriculture, B, economy, C, subsistence farming, D, cottage industries. Question number 20. When the production of food is used for sale off the farm, this is called A, subsistence farming, B, cottage industries, C, commercial agriculture, or D, scarcity. Question number 21. What economic system is based on cooperation? All workers must work together. Is it A, socialism, B, communism, C, free enterprise, or D, traditional? Question number 22. What economic systems government works to have little or no poverty? This government encourages small businesses. Is it A, communism, B, traditional, C, free enterprise, D, socialism mix? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. You're able to go back and check your answers. If you erased anything, please make sure to erase it well on your Scantron. Thank you. Good luck. Take your time.